It's beautiful out in nature. If you feeling down, go out in nature. See what I'm saying? If you feeling down, go out in nature. Nature gonna hug you. The sun gonna kiss you. See what I'm saying? Mother and father. See what I'm saying? Nature, nature will hug you, and the sun will kiss you. All the love, all the love. You feeling down? Let's go ground. Nature gonna take all that away. Just like that. You are connected. You gotta plug in. Stay plugged in to nature. That's our charger. Gotta stay on 100. Gotta stay on 100% as much as possible. Just like you charge your phone. Shit, nature is our charger. See what I'm saying? Gotta stay on 100%. That's just how that work. That's just how that work. Just how that 100% charge on your phone. Shit. And they, what a motherfucker do that's on 5%. They trying to steal your charge. Cause they know their time is up. See what I'm saying? They on 3 and 5%. So they're trying to feed. They need that energy. That's what the evil entities do. They're on 5%. Other than them going to charge themselves up, they come in and try to steal your energy. See what I'm saying? And they don't want to learn how to charge themselves up because it's too much work. Because in order for you to evolve and rise above all this shit, you gotta see things for what they are. And the truth is ugly. The truth is scary. When you're living a lie. See what I'm saying? It's easy to lie to yourself. But does that help you evolve? No, it keeps you down. Ashe, ashe, ashe. See what I'm saying? A lot of people living that lie, that fantasy. You gotta know that we have the ability to deceive ourselves. We are creator. So a lot of people deceiving themselves, pretending that they are not seeing the truth. You see what I'm saying? Other than facing shit for what it is so that they can grow, they rather deceive themselves. Much gratitude, much gratitude. They rather deceive themselves other than facing shit for what it is. Cause you gotta face your demons. You gotta uplift yourself. If you don't face the ugly truth, which was designed for you to rise and was designed for you to learn and become better, you ain't doing nothing but cheating yourself. See, a person that's gratitude, family, gratitude, much gratitude, peace, love, and abundance. See, a person that's living in deception, they're gonna always deceive themselves into not seeing actuality. And they're gonna always be ego driven. See what I'm saying? See, that ego don't have your best interest. Much gratitude for the gift. See, that ego gonna keep you down and it's gonna lead you in the wrong direction every time. That ego don't allow you to receive uplifting love. See what I'm saying? It don't allow you to receive uplifting love. That ego is the pretender that's gonna keep you down. You gotta let that ego go. You gotta tame that ego.